Hi, I'm Devon Gall, Program Engineer with True Blue Power. In this video, we're going to talk about the TB50, our newest Gen 5 lithium-ion battery. It's the same size replacement for other 44 amp hour nickel cadmium or lead acid batteries commonly found on aircraft like the King Air here. Just like with our other Gen 5 lithium-ion batteries, the TB50 will have you starting lighter, faster, and smarter. Weighing only 43.9 pounds, that's up to 50% lighter than other lead acid or NiCad batteries with the same capacity. That means more fuel, more passengers, and more design flexibility for you. Your starts will be faster with the TB50's available power. Up to 1500 amps and a higher nominal voltage leads to cooler starts, less wear on your engine, and lower maintenance costs for you. The TB50 has all the same built-in smart features that your other True Blue Power Gen 5 lithium-ion batteries have. This includes the LED status panel on the front, which provides state of charge and battery condition, AirInc 429, battery discretes, a built-in heater, our proprietary BMS, and you'll also find an MS3509 quick disconnect power terminal, a USB port for uploading custom parameters such as end of life, or charge current limiting. And don't forget, you can pair the TB50 with the MD23 digital battery ACU to deliver real-time information to you in the cockpit. The TB50 is TSO'd to C179B, which includes DO311A qualification, DO160G qualifications, and DO178C DAL-A software. And remember, if you have any questions, you can always give us a call or visit us at truebluepowerusa.com.